Lisa CJ. I'm so glad you could join me today. It's a really special day for me. I have created a piece that I'm just wild about, and I can't wait to show you. It's done with 3 tubes, and I think we should get down to the canvas right now. Started off by laying down my Cloud Mix base coat, and I'm going to put this recipe in the description box today. I'm not spreading it all over the canvas. I'm going to leave it there for once. I'm pouring in purple, and again, I mixed all of these colors from 3 tubes. That is a deep magenta mixed with orange. I have a turquoise, a green, a bluish green here. And next, I am using orange, just a bright orange. And I'm going to torch this sucker. Let's see what happens next. What do you think? I was so pleased with that piece. And in person, the colors are just so very brilliant. I am just over the moon with that. I'm so glad that you could watch me. Please don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye now.